What we have is question 7. We have the table below shows the pair of scores of table 8 pupils in 2 types of tests. We're going to draw out the scatter graph as shown on the board. As we do that, we're going to go to the calculator. Now, to do the calculator part, what you do is you press modes, stats, variable, and you enter in your numbers, right? 21, 6, 43, 48, 48, 8, 31, 29, and 14, okay? Then on the other side, what you have is 58, 94, 28, 18, was it?
Just 42.
Oh yeah, see it? Okay, so you go back up the top here, just turn on to 94. 94. Okay, and then 84. Okay, and then 41, 54, and 71. Now guys, what you got notes here is you press the AC button, you go shift, stat, number 5 for regression. Your R value is your coefficient. We can see a negative correlation, 0.987. It's a very strong correlation. So, describe this correlation. There's a strong negative correlation between the 2 sets of results. So basically, it's almost like the worse you do it, the better you do at test A, the worse you do at test B. Or the better you do at test B, the worse you do at test A. Now, draw a line of best fit on your scatter diagram. I won't do that first. What I'm going to do first is, when I see a question like this where it says, find the equation up this line, I'll find the equation first and I'll draw it second. Now, let me show you how to go about doing that. Now, there's y equals, I'm expecting it to be, you're expecting the y-intercept to be up around 100, aren't you? Somewhere around there. So it's going to be bx plus a. And if you aren't sure, it's whichever one is closer to 100 is going to be the intercept. It's the same thing as y equals mx plus c. A lot faster, okay? So you have it all done already, so why not take advantage of that? Shift, stats, go to your regression, press the a value. The a value is 98.1. Let's call it 98.1. That's where it intercepts the y-axis. 98.1. Then you go again and you do shift, stats, regression, and you go 2. And it's going to have to be a negative slope, doesn't it? Because it's minus 1.68. So minus 1.68. So then we get minus 1.68x plus 98.1 equals y. Now, the way I draw my line is I'm going to basically, going to test any 2 points, and then I'm going to find out where they are. So, using my equation of the line, okay, what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to enter the number that I know. So, for example, see 20 down here on the x-axis? I'm going to write down x equals 20. Therefore, y equals, can somebody do this in the calculator? 1.68 multiplied by 20 plus 98.1. What would I get there? Minus 1.68 multiplied by 20 plus 98.1. Sorry? So my point here is 20 and 64.5. I'll enter in another value. How about, I don't know, 40. This time x equals 40. What can we get this time? When x equals 40, y equals minus 1.68 multiplied by 40 plus 98.1. What do we get this time? 30.9. Was it? 30.9. 30.9. So this is the point 40 and 30.9. Now look what happens when I draw the two of these. 20 across, roughly 64 up, right? Around there. And then the other one is going to be 40 and roughly 31 up, right? 40 is here, go 31 up, and you're around here. And all we gotta do then is just draw your two lines together And as you can see, by using this method here, I can get the perfect line. Well, pretty much the perfect line. Is that right? Alright guys, find the equation of this line, already done. Best fit, done. Another pupil sat test A and was given a score of 18. So he gets 18 up here, go all the way up, and he goes, give an estimate for his test for B. We'll just go straight across, about 64, 65.
Yeah.
It's an estimate, so you can say 64 or 65 on test B. That's it, done.
Black, white,